How to see downloaded files in Telegram. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily see the downloaded files in Telegram. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing that you want to do is open up your Telegram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you can just go ahead and tap on any chat where you want to download a file, and then long press on the file that you want to download and you'll find this download option right here. So just tap on it and it will be saved to your Telegram's downloads. Now if you want to confirm that it has been saved to downloads, you can just long press on this file and tap on it, and you can directly tap on downloads and it will open up your downloads on your phone. Or what you could also do is open up your file manager first and then head over to your internal storage. Now find your downloads folder, just tap on it, and you'll be able to see the file that you've just downloaded. So that's how you can find the downloaded files on Telegram. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.